second of most might and most merciful. So in this video we are going to know the next, that is most important part of it, of the JavaScript. That is the part 2. I am going to make 1.html and we are going to know the another thing that is going to be, you can say, that is important for it. The operator then operand, and you can say operator and operand, and the you can say an uppercase and lowercase. So we are going to start with the upper UP and LO. So these are going to be first if I write a script, and there I am going to make paragraph with the ID as equal to that going to be A. So and the next will be B. So simply I am going to target these. So I am going to write here a variable that is going to be where we are going to use const. Const A is equal to the value is going to be A, B, C, D, E. So these are at the smaller one. So I am going to simply I like this, and I am going to make one more const that will be B. So B is related to the capital one, A, B, C, D, E, A, B, C, D, E, and these are like this. Now I am going to output this A, B, and on the paragraph. So how I am going to do it? Simply I need here another const. Not be const, you can say document dot get element by the ID. ID is going to be A. At the end dot inner HTML is going to be what? The A. And duplicative, so that will be B. And the next is going to be B2, where we had an add the ID is going to be B. Save it. So I will save it and come at my live server. Wait, I will come back and I am going to basically go live from here. So you can say that the text is here to see. You can see. So if I want to do it that upper and that lower, so I am going to write a tag that is going to be A dot and then the tag will be to uppercase. I have written to uppercase with the brackets, save it. So that's at the uppercase. Come back. If I write a dot to lowercase, so that will be dot to lowercase and save it, so that will be lower. So that was the uppercase and lowercase. So now the another one is going to be operand and operator. So operator and operand are a good like a mathematical word. So we are going to know like how like the operator and operand code. The operand is called the number is called the operand, and operator are plus minus symbols like this and any other two. So I am going to start by writing a thing that will be the one word. I am going to simply finishing this. I am going to make a like a let there will be C, and the value I am going to give that will be 12. There will be a let D as equal to like that will be 12 too. So like this. So if I want to do it like with that's only the operand. So document dot get element by the ID. So the ID is going to be A dot inner HTML. So as equal to there will be the letter that is C, and there will be the operator. The operator is plus, and then there will be D. Save it, so the value is going to be show 24. So if I want to multiply it like this, so that will be 24, not 144. So if I want to add here one more thing like plus 124 plus 2, so that is going to show me 146. 146 minus 8, so there will be the result 138. So if I want to plus it again with the C, so that I am going to write here add and C plus D, like the value is going to be I am going to save it, come here, refresh it, the value is 146. So this is how we can use the uppercase lowercase concept, and we are going to know a little bit what that is an input user. So I had written here you can say I am going to write here input with the type. Type is equal to that I am going to write here text, and then I am going to finish it with the id is equal to that is going to id the g. So that's an input. If I like g, so I am going to make another variable. So I am going to put the variable that is I am going to write a const g. Const g is equal to the value is going to be what? Document dot get element by the id. The id is going to be what? The id is going to be g. Come at that. Dot only work done. So now I am going to write here g dot value. G dot value. So I have to write the concept that's what is used value. What the value is. The value is basically the inner text. Like this is the value of the input. So this was the concept of operator, operand, and init the value too. If you hadn't subscribed my channel, code with S, also subscribe it, and don't forget to press the bell icon button and hit the subscribe button. And I will see you in the next video with my new content. So take care. Allah Hafiz.